Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive 7-passenger V6 with the limited package in a calm, cool, and collected Blizzard Pearl color. Included in your limited package is your touch panel display integrated with Entune 3.0 app suite, navigation, and your Toyota Park Assist with your 360-degree bird's eye view camera for the ultimate convenience.
Helping you into your Sienna is your handy smart key system. You have the lock, the unlock, your power slide doors, and your power liftgate with your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have your illuminated entry. You also do have your turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. What we're going to do now is we're going to try out those power slide doors. So simply holding that button, they will open up for you. And holding it again will close them up. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors now. And by simply running your hand across the handle, it will unlock for you. And if you put your finger on the sensor there, the doors will all lock. So unlocking it now to open up. Right away, you're greeted by a sweet two-tone interior. There's that illuminated entry again. All throughout, you have your gray and contrasting black leather trim to help with both the cabin road noise, and to add style, you have a sweet dark brown wood grain trim with your power windows, your power locks. You have your power adjustable side mirrors with your power folding option. You do have the option to set 2 different driver positions in case you have multiple drivers in your family. With your limited package, you have those power rear venting windows. You have your traction control, your park assist sensors. With your park assist sonar sensors, you have your 360-degree bird's eye view camera. Plus you have your heated seats and your leveling system for your headlamps. You have a full set of all-weather floor mats. Plus you have a power adjustable driver's seat, and passenger seat is also power adjustable. And check out the real showstopper of your Sienna, your light gray leather interiors all throughout that add that classy touch. You also do have 2 panes of glass on the top, power tilt and slide, moonroof, letting in all of that fresh air and light. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Sienna, simply put your foot on the brake there. Key is that push start. With your smart key system, you have your welcome screen. Taking a look at your dashboard now, you have that sweet blue and white ambient lighting. You also do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. Right now it is open to your menu option for your Toyota Safety Sense and Star Safety systems. So a pre-collision system, your lane departure alert. You also do have your blind spot monitor and your rear cross traffic alert. All of these settings can be turned on or off, or you can set the sensitivity of the sensors on the front of your Sienna there. You also have your volume control, your mode changers, voice command, and hands-free calling mounted on one side. Plus you have your lane departure alert, and this symbol represents your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set your cruise control from below here. It says radar ready because it is a distance keeping feature as part of Toyota Safety Sense. You have a sweet leather wrap steering wheel, which as mentioned before is heated. You have your automatic headlights, plus you have your fog lamps for added safety. You also have your rear windshield wiper and your wiper for the front. Taking a look at your LCD touch panel display, it is a new modern styling to the menu. With your limited package, you do have your navigation system upgraded and easy to use, so definitely come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. With your audio system, you have your AM, FM radio. You also do have Sirius XM radio with your CD player, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. This is adjusting the audio system in the back for your wireless headphones that do come with your limited package. And you also do have your applications like your NPR One radio, your Slacker radio as part of your Entune 3.0 app suite, which you can also get sports highlights, you can get traffic updates, weather updates, all synced from your phone. Another sweet feature from Entune 3.0 is your roadside assistance. Now, shifting into reverse here, you can see that your backup camera pops up on that screen there. You also do have that split screen system with your 360-degree bird's eye view camera. What we're gonna do is by turning on your park assist sensors, first you can manually turn on that 360-degree cam, which does a full walk around of your Sienna before you even leave your parking spot or your driveway. Check out how cool that is. Definitely a feature worth coming in and taking a look at for yourself. Now below you'll see you have your tri-zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver, your passenger side, and your rear passengers. Your rear passengers do have a climate control panel in the back as well. You do have that sweet wood grain trim on your shift knob, stylish and sleek. And below here you'll find your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You also do have your cup holders hidden away because sometimes you need more than one cup of coffee. And below you'll find your Blu-ray DVD player, which shows up on your split screen in the back for your passengers. Now below here you'll find a USB charger and a 12-volt DC charger. You also have plenty of floor storage. You have that wood grain trim again on your cup holders with that ambient lighting. A nice stylish center console with plenty of space to store everything that you need. And behind your center console you'll find two USB chargers and one 120-volt AC plug-in, so everyone can make sure that their media is nice and charged up for that trip. You have your gray trim on your dashboard there, which also has storage. Plus below you have your glove box with all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Sienna. There's a lock in there, that wood grain trim again tying everything together on the inside of your limited package. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sienna. Taking a closer look, you do have a rear windshield wiper underneath there in case it gets messy out there. You also do have your backup camera to help you in and out of your tight spots with the help of your Toyota Park Assist sensors. Opening up that lift gate now. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back. You also do have your handy third row seating, which you can fit up to 7 passengers in your Sienna, and it stows away nice and easy to open up cargo. You have a nice deep compartment with your bag hooks, the instructions to stow away those seats, additional storage on the side. You also do have your tools and your jack stored on this side with your 120-volt AC plug-in, 12-volt DC charger, and cargo lamp. Well, why don't we stow away these seats and take a look at all the cargo space. Stowing that third row seating now. Check out all that space that's opened up for you in the back of your Sienna. Those rear passenger seats do completely remove as well, so that you have plenty of space to store any larger items that you may have. You do have a power lift gate with the button that you can activate up there or use your fob. Slowly roll down. As you can see, you have that chrome detailing. You have your spare tire storage underneath your Sienna and your roof rails for additional storage as we take one more look at the back of your Sienna.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive 7-passenger V6 with the limited package. Built right into your Sienna is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to have you riding in the ultimate comfort. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.